Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial I am going to talk about switch in JavaScript. So switch is almost like if else, but the step is a little bit different than if else. So I'll show you switch using example in this tutorial. So let's go and first declare a variable. Let's say var number equal to, we'll take the input from the browser. So we'll say over here prompt to first bracket to double quotation, and here we'll say enter your number. So we'll take a value from the browser, and we'll apply some condition using switch case. So for writing switch case, we just need to write over here switch, then to first bracket, and here we need to give our condition. I mean this variable over here will say number, then we'll give to second bracket, and inside it we are going to write some case. So here we are going to say over here case, then we'll give to double quotation, and we'll just give a number over here. Let's say 0. We'll compare this number with this number. If both of the number match with each other, then we'll print something. So here we're going to say document dot write to first bracket to double quotation, and let's say over here number is 0. And in order to end this case 0, we need to write over here break. So this break function will in this case 0 over here. So since we write break, so we'll be able to start a new case over here. So here we are going to say case on, and here we are going to say number is on. So after on, we'll say over here 2. Let's just give 2 over here, and after 2 let's say 3. We'll give up until let's say 5, 3. Then we'll say over here 4, and last one will be 5. So let's just give over here 5. So if the number do not matches with any of those case 5, so for it we need to give a default option over here. So we'll say over here default, and we'll just write over here number is not available. So what it will do is that first of all we'll take a value from the browser, then we'll compare that number with the case. Is the number 0? Is the number is on, 2, 3, 4 or 5? If that number matches with any of the case, then it will print that document.write. Okay, and if the number do not matches with any of those case, then it will come to default and it will print number is not available. And for default we do not need to write break. Okay, so right now if we save it, then if we just refresh our browser, and we have given the condition from on to 5. So here if we just write over here let's say 3 and click OK, here you can see number is 3. And if we give over here 5, you can see number is 5. And if we give any number greater than 5, let's say 12, and if we press OK, here you can see number is not available. So which means it print the default number is not available. So this is the basic of switch in JavaScript. So this tutorial was really simple. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to give a like and leave a comment, and I will really appreciate if you subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.